Better known as a Colosseum, the Flavian Amphitheatre is the biggest and most imposing building of its kind from the Roman era, as well as the most famous monument from ancient Rome. Construction was begun by the Emperor Vespasian and completed by his son Titus in 80 AD. Today it enthralls visitors both for its architectural beauty and as one of the greatest triumphs of Roman engineering. The Colosseum is one of the most majestic structures to adorn imperial Rome. The exterior of the Roman Colosseum is made entirely of travertine, stretching 527 meters around and 4 stories high. The arches of the second and third stories were originally filled with statues. There were 80 entrances, with the 2 principal ones reserved for the emperor and his entourage. The Colosseum is a tremendous amphitheater, a symbol of both the grandeur and cruelty of the mighty Roman Empire. Capable of seating some 50,000 spectators, the Colosseum hosted spectacular games, including gladiator exhibitions, fights between animals, executions of prisoners, and strangely enough, naval battles. Untold thousands of humans and animals met their end in what is today one of Rome's most popular tourist attractions. The tiers of seats were inclined in such a way as to enable people to get a perfect view from wherever they sat. Entry to the Colosseum was free for all Roman citizens, but places were divided according to social status. The seats at the top were designated for the common people, while those closer to the center were reserved for those of higher social status.